How to upload photo on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Your For You page appears. At the bottom you can find different options. Tap on this plus icon. Now over here you can find this option of photo. Tap on it. Now you can just tap on this white icon and click a photo to upload, or also you can select from gallery. You just have to tap on this option of upload and you can select any of the picture to upload in your TikTok. For now, I'm gonna click it. After you click the photo or select the photo from your gallery, at the top you can find this option of add sound. You can just tap on it, and from here you can just select any of the song of your choice. Or in the case you cannot find over here, you can just tap on this search icon and tap over here at the top and type in the name of the song. After song appears, you can just tap on it. At the right corner you can find different options. You can add some text, filters, stickers, emojis, do some voiceovers and edit your picture. And after you are done with the editing, you have to tap on next given at the bottom right corner. Now from here you can describe your post, add hashtags or mention creators that inspired you. Likewise you can tag people, add link, you can set up who can watch this video, enable or disable comments, and if you want to save the device you can turn on this icon, and after you are done you can just tap on post. This is how you post picture on TikTok. I hope now you guys are clear about how to upload photo on TikTok. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.